It's almost like the subscribe button is like that prideful, you know, it's like, I'm not giving you a subscription. Why would I give you a subscription? You have to earn the subscription. You know what I mean? That's the type of energy that subscribers come with. They more engaged. They more likely to comment on some ish. They're more likely to buy a product if you're selling it. You know what I mean? They're more likely to read the description, click on affiliate links if you have them. A subscriber is worth substantially more than any other type of following that you can get on the internet. If we're talking about secondary, I would probably say Facebook. A lot of people would not think I would go there, but yes, a Facebook following on a page where you're also uploading the videos natively to your Facebook, that type of audience is far more valuable than any other platform. Now, and we're still on the topic of what it takes to be a successful content creator. It's listening to this entire damn segment. That's what it takes. Okay. Now where TikTok kind of plays into the whole ecosystem is that you can grow a following really fast. They're not the most engaged. They don't spend the most money. But because you can grow it so fast, you can get in front of so many people. It's just about content distribution. You want to get in front of as many eyes as possible, right? Because if you start watching it on TikTok, well, then your phone is going to catch cachet, right? It's going to drop cookies on what you're interested in, and then it's going to end up recommending your content on other platforms that you're also watching content on. So that way you can make the connection. Oh, I watched them on TikTok, right? And then your followings on other platforms are going to grow substantially more with a viral TikTok presence than they would on any other platform, right? So TikTok is really the growth tool more than it is like a monetization platform. But because of that growth, as a byproduct of the growth, all the other channels that do handle monetization really well increase as well. So to be a successful content creator, you have to be consistent. You have to think content. You have to switch up your routine based on knowing yourself, right? If you know that there's a week out of every month that you just have a down month, well, now you need to figure out a schedule that can, well, then you need to figure out a schedule for creating your content that will outlast those weeks off. You know what I mean? So now you got to go into batch creation. You got to figure out, okay, today I'm going to make, you know, if I'm